Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to edit text in PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro 2025. Whether you're a student fixing assignment errors, a professional updating reports, or just someone tired of recreating documents from scratch, this feature is a total lifesaver. It's quick, easy, and makes your workflow way more efficient. So, let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Pro 2025 installed on your computer. If you don't, head over to the Adobe website to download and install it. It's worth the investment for serious PDF work. Once you're set, open the PDF file you want to edit. Simply double-click the file, and it should launch in Acrobat Pro. Next, locate the Tools panel on the right side of the interface. Scroll down and select Edit PDF. This activates editing mode, turning your static PDF into an editable document. Now, click on the specific text you want to change. You'll see a blinking cursor, just like in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Go ahead and type, delete, or modify the text as needed. Acrobat Pro even lets you adjust formatting, like changing fonts, sizes, or making text bold or italic, perfect for polishing your documents. One important step. After you've made your edits, don't forget to save your file. Head to the File menu and choose Save or Save as to create a new version. This way, your original file stays intact. A quick tip. If you're working with a scanned PDF, the text might not be editable right away. In that case, use the built-in OCR, Optical Character Recognition, tool under Tools to convert it first. It's a game changer for older documents. And remember, always edit on a copy of your file to avoid any accidental losses. Better safe than sorry. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to edit text like a pro in Adobe Acrobat Pro 2025. This skill will save you tons of time, so give it a try on your next project. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.